everyone, welcome back to my channel Techno Bazooka Blast. So today in this video we will be learning about Paint 3D. What is basically Paint 3D? Well, it's basically Paint but with newer versions and more things like 3D library which you get laptops, canvas, effects, text we get everywhere, stickers, 3D shapes, 2D shapes, and brushes. They basically like that, but it's a bit different. So today we're gonna make a garden scenery. To get started, this is 3D library. You can search anything. It also comes in various types like Word and PowerPoint. Those are two other softwares. So let's search grass. So yeah, let's check which one we should get. I like this one, so I'm gonna take it. Grass patch. Now we have to extend it a bit. Okay, that's a lot. That's perfect. Now we have to go to 3D. We have to go to the fill tool and take this. Ta-da! Now we have to go to 3D library and search for a chair. We can do this all normally, but this is very cool. Yeah. So we can search a good chair. Let's see. This one seems pretty okay. We can make a garden scenery, and there should be a girl standing outside her house. We make it like this, like that, so it's 3D. Okay, now we have to go to 3D shapes where we can get a 3D model. Like, we can get anything. There's a cat, there's a fish, there's a dog, there's a woman. So I'm going to take a woman. If you want to take a boy, you can take it. If you want to take anything, you want to take it. So we just have to edit the color and make it the skin color. But now, as you can see, it looks pretty bad. So we can edit it like this. You have to zoom in the girl. There. Okay. But first, there. There. Now we have to see where the girl is. So this is where the grass is. It means the girl will be here. Now we just have to take red color, go to brushes, take the tool to make her like that. We can take this or this one. Yeah, that's better. That's so cool, isn't it? We just have to do this and this and this. Okay, that looks pretty pixelated, but it looks very cool. Now that's done. Wow, don't you think that looks cool? Oops, we have to increase the size of the thickness as well to make sure it comes right. Like this. Now, there. That's perfect. Now her dress is complete. Now we have to move on to our eyes. We can go to stickers where we'll find great eyes which are very cool. You can take these. Of course you can take any eyes you want, but I think these look pretty good. I'll just fix the blue part. Okay, duplicate it now. And keep it here. And, oops. Undo. Now we can just, oops. Now we just have to go again because I did it wrong. And yeah, and I have to flip it like this. Don't make the same mistake as me. Now that's done. Now we can go to make sure that her eyes look good. Oops. We can make sure we take white. There. There. Now she looks like a normal human. Now we go to stickers again to make her mouth. You can give her any mouth we want. I'm going to make her this. Wait, how does this look? No, this doesn't look that good. We can go this, happy. Make her a little small. There. Now she is happy. Now we just have to go to brushes to edit her hair. Go up here. There. In the end, this is going to look super good, and that's a promise. There. Okay, come on. There. It's looking pretty good so far. Then you can add a bit of touches of our own. Make sure it's good. There we are. Almost there. Okay. Okay. There. It's done. We just have to do a bit of editing. There. Now we have to see how she looks perfect. Now we just have to edit her other part so she can look good. We take this, I think purple or maybe orange, yeah. Orange looks good. So we can edit her like this. It's super easy because it's a 3D model, so it doesn't make any difference. Like this. I like the pixel parts. It looks cool. And we just have to scroll up a bit. And oops. Undo. I'm doing it wrong. Okay. Now we can just take this and make it a bit smaller so we can at least get her thumbs right. Uh-oh, it's pixelated. I want it to be that. So we can take orange that small. Isn't it coming? There, that's perfect. Now we just have to do her shoes. We can make them red. I'm making shoes red. Yeah, those shoes look good. Now let's undo it. Wow, that looks perfect. Now she's a girl. Now we can add flowers, make the garden look beautiful. We can make textures of our own. We can even add the sun. So we can add this sun to make sure it looks good. Now we add this over here. Now we'll take now we'll go to 3D library and search flower patch. Flower. So now we want to get some beautiful flowers. This purple flower patch looks pretty. We keep it here. Now we can copy, and there we have another one. You have to make it the same size. So she's like surrounded by some flowers, and we just have to make her a house. I'm not sure if houses come in 3D library, but it's worth a try. House is what? I don't think that's what I was supposed to type. That's better. That's a gingerbread house. These houses are amazing. We could add this house, a house like this. It looks good. Yeah. Now we're gonna add her house over here. This is her house. Gonna make it half. This is her house. This is the garden scenery. She just came out. The house is a little far. So that's basically what it is. Now I just wish I can add some more flowers somewhere. Search flowers. Again. Flower. Let's see. We also have a yellow flower patch. I think yellow would look good in the entrance. And we can make the girl hold a pink flower. So we can keep the thing here. And there. We have another one now. There, and we can take this one, keep it here. There. We can make her hold flower. And which one? I think this one looks good. Tulips. Can keep it here so she is like observing the nice tulip. So that was the project we made. We're gonna save it, go to menu, save as. We can make it a video. And we can make it jump and turn. That's my favorite animation. Jump and turn. So that's enough for now. Stay tuned. Bye.